Hi, hello friends. Welcome to another video. Many of the friends will be asking me, sir, how to prepare for the DNB theory and the practical exams. So, we know time is very precious. So, please don't waste time even one day. Keep focused, prepare a schedule, read accordingly. Kindly don't waste time. Every hour is precious. Kindly don't forget the goal. What is the purpose? Without passing the DNB, you cannot practice. So please don't forget the goal. Always keep focused. Discuss with colleagues who have already cleared the DNB exam, how they have cleared, how they have prepared, have they made any notes. So keep discussing with others. So whatever points you have missed, you will come to know by discussing with others. At least with 3-4 people who have cleared the theory exam or practicals, like what's what was their strategy, especially while preparing for practicals. Always discuss with guys who have cleared and not cleared also, because what questions they were asked will come to know. Other important thing is practicing old question papers. For the theory exam, you take all the last 10 years question papers, practice daily with each by question, so that you will not miss any of the important topics. This is the fundamental principle of preparing for theory, practicing all the old question papers. There are few topics which were not given in any textbook the way you wanted. Like, for example, recent advances in diagnosing the COX. So you download few articles and kindly make your own notes. It will be very useful for you. Then very important thing is practicing writing. So almost for 3 years you will not have the habit of practicing, you will not have the habit of writing. So keep practicing that. Otherwise, in the final exam, you will not have sufficient time. And kindly don't think of another attempt, because you don't know what will happen in the next attempt, whether your health is good or you don't know. You will not have things in your control. So don't lose focus. Be positive. Don't forget your goal. Thank you. Bye.